The Galaxy Soho project in central Beijing for Soho, China is a 330,000 square meters office, retail and entertainment complex that will become an integral part of the living city, inspired by the grand scale of Beijing. Its architecture is a composition of 5 continuous, flowing volumes that are set apart, fused or linked by stretched bridges. These volumes adapt to each other in all directions, generating a panoramic architecture without corners or abrupt transitions that break the fluidity of its formal composition. The great interior courts of the project are a reflection of traditional Chinese architecture, where courtyards create an internal world of continuous open spaces. Here, the architecture is no longer composed of rigid blocks, but instead comprised of volumes which coalesce to create a world of continuous mutual adaptation and fluid movement between each building. Shifting plateaus within the design impact upon each other to generate a deep sense of immersion and envelopment. As users enter deeper into the building, they discover intimate spaces that follow the same coherent formal logic of continuous curvilinearity. The lower 3 levels of Galaxy Soho house public facilities for retail and entertainment. The levels immediately above provide workspaces for clusters of innovative businesses. The top of the building is dedicated to bars, restaurants and cafes that offer views along one of the greatest avenues of the city. These different functions are interconnected through intimate interiors that are always linked with the city, helping to establish Galaxy Soho as a major urban landmark for Beijing. One of Beijing's latest luxury shopping centers has used a decorative solution from flowcrete to create floors that match the development's highly stylized image. Galaxy Soho is a high-end commercial development in Beijing that exemplifies how terrazzo flooring can be utilized to create a striking, modern and eye-catching aesthetic. The prominent office and retail complex is situated next to Beijing's East 2nd Ring Road and covers a 50,000 square meter site with graceful and fluid architectural lines. The facility not only boasts incredible visual appeal, but also champions environmental and green building goals.